USB Autoscope ECT Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor Testing. Malfunction symptoms: hard starting when engine is cold, high fuel consumption, poor engine performance, malfunction indicator lamp on, possible malfunction, bad coolant temperature sensor. Appearance of the sensor. Wiring diagram of the engine coolant temperature sensor. We connect the black alligator clip to the vehicle body ground. We connect a back probe pin to the signal wire of the engine coolant temperature sensor. In the program menu, select Temperature Sensor Mode. Click Record. Start the engine and observe how, as the engine warms up, the resistance of the sensor decreases, and hence the voltage on it. This is what the waveform of a working sensor looks like when the sensor is heated to 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is what the signal of a faulty sensor looks like. Conclusion: repeated heating and cooling of the sensor may cause small cracks to appear inside the measuring element. Due to the cracks, an electrical open may occur inside the sensor. Sometimes coolant may leak onto the sensing element and cause corrosion or changes in the sensor's resistance.